quarter. Sheehan takes the snap, hands it off, flags fly, Currington into the end zone, touchdown. But this might be coming back against Green Bay. Oh. Well, there you go, a touchdown for Shaq Currington. Corey Ross is irate, but Green Bay with their first lead of the game. And Nick Jaworski on to attempt the extra point. An anticlimactic first touchdown call, but Hilliard, the holder. Snap down, kick is up, it is blocked at the line of scrimmage. On top of it is Green Bay and DeJour Nesbeth. A huge play for Green Bay, and they will retain possession. That was a very quick first drive for Quad City, and a big play by the line up front. A big play by the receivers in forward motion, takes the snap, drops back, pressures on. He'll throw across his body back of the end zone. One-handed catch, Keyshawn Taylor over the Quad City defender. And Keyshawn Taylor with another receiving touchdown for Green Bay. Top 5 receiver in the IFL in terms of receiving yards, make it number 12 on the season for him. And the Blizzard are up 12-0. Brings it in one-handed over to Zeke Bagley. The Blizzard have a double-digit lead. Jaworski on to attempt the extra point. And another low snap, and Mbaye able to corral it, but the kick is up and good. Flags come flying. A little bit shorter than the last one, making about 40 yards for Nick Jaworski. Good snap, good hold. Kick is on its way. Good! Put it in the basket. Nick Jaworski with his longest field goal of the year. And the Blizzard, just like that, have retaken the lead. Jaworski sends this one high and back, fielded by Saunders in the back of the end zone. Here comes Trey Saunders. He is hit by Stephen Newbold and wrapped around and dropped down. Stephen Newbold, but a flag flies as Mamadou Mbaye and I believe that's Jalen Swan got into it. We'll see what this flag will be for. But a big hit by Stephen Newbold. Forward motion, Sheehan takes the snap, flags fly, going deep for his man in the end zone. I think that was Shaq Currington who hauled it in. Flags came in from the defensive backfield. Let's see what it's for. Usually it's illegal defense. It is Shaq Currington who came down with it, but what is the flag for?
Unsportsmanlike conduct. Number 88 on the defense. Disconcerting signals during the calling of the play. That 15-yard penalty will be placed into that. That is his first unsportsmanlike conduct.
So it is a touchdown going for Green Bay and Shaq Currington. I'm not quite sure what the explanation was, but it was an unsportsmanlike conduct going against Quad City. And now Nick Jaworski with an extra point attempt. Give the Blizzard a 3-point lead. Mbaye with the hold, and the kick is up, and it is good. Gun. Just 3 receivers to the near side, 1 to the far side. That's Kerryon Moore. Pump fake. Looking downfield. Trey Saunders is there. Broken up. Was it intercepted? It was. DeJour Nesbeth has it. He's still on his feet. DeJour Nesbeth gets a block, still on his feet. Flags will fly, and he's brought down, pushing and shoving. Bedlam here in Green Bay. Snap to Sheehan. Pressure's on. Taylor caught, touchdown, flags fly, likely for defensive pass interference. Keyshawn Taylor with another receiving touchdown. Holding on the defense, so the touchdown will stand. Keyshawn Taylor able to haul it in. And the extra point here from Nick Jaworski. To hit the 30 mark. Kick is up, and it is good. 8.8 seconds remain. 48-30 is the score.